Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about even and odd numbers. Do you all know that what are even numbers? No? I'll tell you that what are even numbers. The numbers which can be put in pairs or into groups of two are called even numbers. मतलब जिन नंबर्स को हम टू के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं वो नंबर्स इवन नंबर्स कहलाते हैं. नाउ यू ऑल मस्ट बी थिंकिंग दैट व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ अ पेयर. पेयर का क्या मतलब होता है? ओके, आई विल टेल यू दैट व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ पेयर्स. You all know that how many eyes are there on your face? Yes, two eyes are there. It means you are having a pair of eyes. Now tell me, how many hands are there? Yes, two hands are there. It means you are having a pair of hands. Now this is all about your body. Now I'll give you some another example. Like, how many socks do you wear? One or two? Yes, you always wear two socks together. It means you wear a pair of socks. So, when something is divided into a group of two, or when something is always in a group of two, that is called a pair. Now, we will see some examples. We will find out that whether these numbers they are even or not by dividing these things into group of two. Now the first thing which I have drawn, you all can see what are these? Yes, these are apples. Now we will divide these apples into group of two. अब हम इन apples को two के groups में divide करेंगे. Now count along with me. 1, 2, this is your first group. 1, 2, this is your second group. Now tell me, any apple is left or not? Yes, none of the apple is remaining. So this is very important point that even numbers are those numbers which can be put in pairs or groups of two and none of the number is remaining. Okay. So 4 is an even number because none of the apple is remaining and you are able to divide the apples into group of 2. अब हम सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे जिसका नंबर है 6 और यहाँ पर हमने 6 आइसक्रीम्स ली हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6. अब हम अपनी इन 6 आइसक्रीम्स को 2 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. नाउ स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग अलॉन्ग विद मी. 1, 2, दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट ग्रुप. Then 1, 2, this is your second group. And 1, 2, this is your third group. It means you are having 3 groups of 2 ice creams. That is 3 pairs of ice creams. And none of the ice cream is left. That's why 6 is again an even number. So both the numbers, that is 4 and 6, they are even numbers. Now you all can find out with other numbers also about even numbers. And I hope you all have understood that what are even numbers. Now we will learn about odd numbers. So first we will see that what are odd numbers. So the numbers which cannot be put in pairs or in groups of two are called odd numbers. That is, the numbers which are not even numbers, they are odd numbers. मतलब वो नंबर्स जिनको हम 2 के ग्रुप्स में पेयर नहीं कर सकते उनको हम ऑड नंबर्स कहते हैं. Now we will see some examples. See the first examples. How many flowers are here? Yes, 5 flowers. It means अब हम पता करेंगे कि 5 is an odd number or not. Now you know the method very well. First we will divide and see that whether you all are able to divide the flowers in pairs of 2 or not. Now count along with me. 1, 2, first pair. 1, 2, second pair. Now you all have got 2 groups of 2 flowers, that is 2 pairs of flowers. And you all can see that 1 flower is left. So 5 is an odd number because you are not able to put all the flowers in pairs of 2 and 1 is remaining. Now come to the second number. ये नंबर है 7. अब हम अपनी सारी पेंसिल्स को आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे पेंसिल्स ड्रॉ हुई हैं. हम अपनी सारी पेंसिल्स को 2 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. नाउ स्टार्ट काउंटिंग विद मी. 1, 2 फर्स्ट ग्रुप, 1, 2 सेकेंड ग्रुप, then 1, 2 third group. Again you all can see that 1 pencil is remaining. Again you are not able to put all the pencil in pairs. That's why again 7 is an odd number. तो आपने देखा कि हम फ्लावर्स को और पेंसिल्स को 2 पेयर्स के ग्रुप में डिवाइड नहीं कर पाए. And in both the cases 1 flower and 1 pencil is the remaining one. So that's why 5 and 7 are odd numbers. So odd numbers always end with the digits that is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So I hope now you all have understood the topic that is odd numbers, and you have to practice with other numbers and you can find out that these numbers are even or odd. Now let's see whether these numbers, that is 11 and 16, are even or odd. So first you can see I have drawn 11 balloons. So we are going to divide these balloons into groups of 2 and we will find out that 11 is an even or an odd number. So start dividing the groups. Now count along with me. 1, 2, this is your first group. Again 1, 2, this is your second. Again 1, 2, this is your third group. Again divide it into 2, this is your fourth group. Again 2, this is your fifth group. Now you all can see that how many balloons are remaining now? Yes, it is 1. It means 11 आपका odd number है क्योंकि आपका एक balloon remaining है और 5 groups balloon ने form करे हैं. Now second example is 16. Now we'll find out that whether 16 is an even number or not. Now again आप इन मैंगोज को 2 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. Let's start dividing the mangoes in groups of 2. This is very easy. You all can do by yourself and see how many groups of mangoes we have got. Yes, count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. अब हमें 8 groups मिल गए हैं mangoes से के. So you all can see that none of the mango is remaining. So 16 is an even number. Yes. Now I hope that you all have understood